And what I mean by that is, you see, there are certain foods that actually that serve you and support your health. And there are certain foods that we eat that actually degenerate you and compromise your health. And they both taste great. So we need to have a distinction which ones work and which ones don't. And that's why I'm saying raw living enzyme-rich foods work. The cooked food, processed foods, doesn't work long term. So it will make you enzyme deficient through time. They've already proven it scientifically that cooked food uses, the body has to use more of its own enzymes to digest that cooked food more than you remanufacture. It will cause the body to become enzyme depleted, and then you end up with partial digestion of your proteins, carbs, and fats. So then when you have this accumulation of undigested proteins, carbs, and fats, they putrefy, ferment, and acidify within the body. And that attracts parasites, viruses, bacteria, and yeast. And these little critters that I'm talking about, they live on this waste. And when they live on this waste, they multiply themselves. And they also excrete themselves. So while they're excreting, it's very, very toxic, very poisonous, it's very smelly, very acidic. And everybody that has sickness and diseases going on, they run very acidic. But it's related to what I'm saying.